Yo, I'm back in the flesh of my 6X. White tee, button up, sleeves rolled up, fitting me nicely.
What are we doing?
Hi! Orange juice.
Hi, baby boy.
Porque eu não comi nada antes.
You know,
Não comi nada. Eu vim
absolutely.
treinar.
Hold on, I'm talking, brother.
Eu tava tipo.
Oh yes, folks, we are back. YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, it's me, man, Ingestion, back with another super official chug interview. I know you can't hate. Listen, man. All right, family, I ain't gonna hold you. First time back in the room in a hot minute, and you see what I see in front of me. And today we're just gonna do a little simple water chug. We got the microwave popping on the handstand. What's up, Ingestion Engine fam? And so then I decided to put a minute on the clock. I got a handful of waters here. We're gonna see where the Ingestion Engine ranks in the chug game right now. I've been out for a hot minute, but we're stepping back in. We're always time to practice. The Ingestion Engine, gotta be a pro one day, so you gotta put in the work and the time. But anyway, we're bringing back the microwave. I'm a big fan. And you know, enough with the talking. Y'all came to see me chug, and yo, let's do this in 3. Hold up. Let's pop the top on this one. On the first one. You get the cap. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Man, I'd be lying a little if that wasn't difficult. You can see the spillage on my shirt. No burps today. But the thing is about the plastic water bottles, I said in my past videos, try chug. It's either all or nothing, or else your mouth gets stuck in the bottle. It's a whole thing. But anyway, let's check the tapes. We'll call it around two bottles and 80% completion. Three tops were popped on this one. Oof. You know, slow start to get back, but the Ingestion Engine, I've said it, been out for the chug game for a minute. Last chug was in college at Shops. But anyway, more videos in the future, that's for sure. Ingestion can only get better. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Ingestion Engine's back again. Bean chugging 1,000 subscribers like always. And yo,